Welcome to our ongoing weekly clip series, Wolff Bites.
Hi, I'm Lynette Wolff.
And I'm Brian Wolff.
We're the Wolff couple.
Oh.
These are the 5 musts for starting your own pretty house business.
Number 1, you must hear about creative financing, the pretty house world, from some website or person. Maybe you heard from us, preferably a trusted source.
Number 2, you must think outside the box, enough to recognize the wealth-making opportunity.
Number 3, you must believe in yourself and your skills enough to think you can succeed at the pretty house business.
Number 4, you must decide to go after the pretty house profits.
Number 5, you must get trained so you know what you're doing and can close complicated deals effectively.
Lucky for you, you now have the Wolff couple, us, on your side.
Now, number 5, getting trained is solved. We are the best trainers for success in real estate investing in the entire country. What it takes to succeed.
We love lists, even very short ones.
Here we have 4 lists for you, as short as can be and still qualify as lists. There are only 2 items. Now, these are deceptively vital keys to success, so they are important to be aware of when you're starting out. Please look these over, think them over, and take them to heart.
You will thank us.
So our first 2 keys to success in real estate investing are...
Number 1, commitment.
Number 2, training.
2 more keys to success in real estate investing.
1, make a schedule.
Number 2, stick to the schedule.
2 more keys to success in real estate investing.
Number 1, systems.
And number 2, scripts. And lastly,
2 more keys to success in real estate investing.
number 1, consistent lead flow.
Number 2, timely closing calls.
So follow these short but wise lists to find success in real estate investing.
We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
Plus, you can be nice and share it with others.
And remember to subscribe to get notified of great new videos.